Hi, so you're the new developer I keep hearing about. I'm Ollie, the hiring manager. So, you're going to be working with Scrum Master Max, and we're really hoping you can help us out here at TrustShield Insurance. We have this problem with RFQs being processed accurately and quickly. RFQs, requests for quotes, you're going to need to know that. We wanted to automate the process, and we had a developer helping us out, but they just weren't up to the task. They knew about task bots and legacy automation, and that's not going to solve this problem. Let me get you caught up. This is Taskforge, your project's dashboard. And since you are new, you have read-only access and won't be able to add work notes or update any of the stories. On the top, you have a map of the current state business processes. Right now, this is what people are doing manually. And you can look at this to get a sense of the process. There's a task for each of these elements down here on the task board. As you can see, the previous developer was able to get a few things done already. You can open each of these tasks and read through the work that's been done, as well as their work notes to get an understanding of what they did and how. Anything marked as done has been tested and vetted as acceptable, and you can download them, ready to import in the control room here. The work they left in progress, it's mostly done, but the developer left some key pieces of unfinished business to make those tool integrations really work. They are also in the downloadable assets. We have the profitability calculator up here, which helps us determine just how valuable an RFQ is going to be to TrustShield. And we also have the win probability calculator there too, which is a fancy tool that calculates the likelihood of us selling the policy. Those two combined help us to prioritize the work that's being passed into the Quote Master priority engine. To learn more about the tools the legacy developer was trying to build, you can reference both of those tools. And most importantly, pay attention to the story description in each of these tasks. In the sidebar are some company policy documents. They will inform you of what TrustShield is all about, and keep those handy. I'm sure you'll need them. And lastly, the legacy developer couldn't even start on the stuff in the to-do bucket. Let's just say they lack the proper training to complete that stuff. But that's why you're here. You will need to build that from scratch, and we're going to see if you have the necessary skills to utilize APA capabilities, integrations with custom tools, and be able to build end-to-end business processes using automation anywhere. Right. Well, I got to get back to it. It was nice to meet you, and I wish you the best of luck. Oh, can you close the door on your way out?